What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna do a replacement on the starter for the Saturn 2003. So let's get started. And on this vehicle I think the starter is located right in the front in the bottom. So let's take a look at it. And there is a starter right here. So they have one bolt right here and another bolt I think way inside there, right inside here. See, I have the thing right here already. Yeah, I have extension right here. It's a 15 millimeter. So when you put it through there, it's in there, you'll find it. So all right, let's take this thing out right now. Okay. Okay, there we go. You got it out. It's an old one. And let's go get a new one. Let's see. Make sure everything looks the same before we install it back in. So this is a new one that we got it from the Advanced Auto Part. It's a Car Quest. And everything looks the same. Get ready to install that thing back. Alright. Okay. Let's do it. forgot to mention this. Well, before you take the starter off, make sure you disconnect the battery. Yeah. All right, I'm ready to put it back on and start it. Let's see how it works. 2. There we go. That's it. That's how we do it.
That's it.
What?
There you have it.
That's what happened. It's just a starter.
Yeah. Just the starter's all it was.
That's all it was. So I hope this video will help. And don't forget, click like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye. Say hi, Joey.
Peace, people.